Why do engineers, specifically structural engineers, take so long to get out, to write a report, to get back with you? We're going to answer these questions in this video. Hey, my name's Corey Parks. I want to talk to you to answer some questions that we get asked often. What takes structural engineers so long? And the short answer is, we're not really sure. So we're going to make some assumptions here just based on what we've heard and kind of what we see dealing day in and day out with structural engineers. One of the things that we believe is the lack of structural engineers for the greater Charlotte area, for the North Carolina area. There's just not an abundance of them. When you think about a structural engineer, some will specialize in commercial, some will specialize in civil, bridges, stuff like that. Some will specialize in other things, but residential structural engineers is really a niche. And so one of the things that we struggle with, as well as homeowners that we hear from, is finding the right engineer that will call them back, that will come out. And so we want you just to be cautious and understand that structural engineers are kind of on their own timeline. And so most of the time what we see is they are backed up, and they're typically backed up more than just a few days. And so we want to make sure that we set proper expectations and that you understand that if you need a structural engineer, chances are it's going to take them a few weeks to get out. It's likely, depending on the scope of the project, it's likely going to take them another week to 2 weeks to write the report. So be patient with the structural engineers. Unfortunately, it's just something our industry has to deal with, and we hope this video allows you to better understand what's taking them so long. And if you have any questions, please let us know. We'd be glad to help. Thanks.